You know, it's the boy DJ Chaddy and I'm back again. Wagwan people, hope everybody good, hope everybody safe. Any veteran watch this right now, big up on yourself, you know what I mean? Cause you know, say today are Veterans Day, I want to shout them out. Well, enough said and done. So, today I want to talk about some new tracks, some new videos. So, we have new music video by Steph London and Tory Lanez Senseless Remix, you know what I mean? And we also have new music video by Conscience, and the one a bad me not telling like people. It name Every Girl a Freak. So, some freak girl or something like so. You know me love the freak girl, so nothing wrong with that something there. New song also by ADV, Clean Every Time, and Cash, oh Lord. All of this and more coming up.
The man the one right now me have
Shadi Murray TV.
Shadi Murray TV, and we say check him out for all your news, your views, your reviews, and everything you need to know. You see me?
And YouTube, you know, come in say YouTube, that tube, and such tube, yo.
Yeah, Shadi Murray, I'm your biggest fan.
Ricky Chopper said.
It's exploded right now.
No for do your thing, head down mash up, girl. You know for do your thing, you know take back charge. No for do your thing, head down mash up, girl. You know for do your thing, you know take back charge.
You know for do your thing, she come too sexy, spice like New Orleans, yeah. Go and do the thing, and who got the keys to me, be mommy, want slew the thing right.
So people, me not telling you no lie. You see, from the anticipation alone for that song, make me know say that song have to be a hit song. You see me? Because the video shoot a couple weeks ago, and people been a ask her, been upon both of them, both Tory Lanez and Steph London Instagram page, ask them when the video are gonna release. But people, the video release you know. May I tell you, it bad. You see me? Expectation, well deliver, it up there, everything nice about the video. But a little more right.
You know this, and that body is so big, can't focus. And can someone please call 911? Cause murder, she wrote it. Me's a shotter, she's a shotter. We some dandadas. Step from London, one for put my lips on you like the grabber.
But people, you know me really there here a pray. And me I watch a video and me I say, yo, the video bad and everything. But you know me really a pray. Tory Lanez, can you really manage Steph London? Look how the girl thick and look how she look cute. But can you manage her? If you should have pop you down. But me don't know. Wanna tell me in the comment section what you think. And me have to big up Steph London. Because even though Steph London was born in Jamaica and part of her life grown in Jamaica, she got London long time. You see me got England and out there. She never have to carry the banner for Jamaica so high. You see me? She could have dashed her Jamaica like no for them other people out there. But no, she stick to her roots. And me I tell her that girl is bad. Come on, pretty, cute, can sing, can rap. One more somebody can want for your artist. People, she bad.
Good intentions, no deflectors. I'm a fucking senseless. No pretending, I'm on a sending. Cause you's a bad girl, you not take back chat. But tonight you gotta take back shot. Fling up the dress, let me take that. She know if you do the thing.
So wanna tell me in the comment section what you think about this video. You see me? And this song as well. So next song we're gonna talk about a Conscience. Every Girl a Freak.
like that.
So from you see the intro, you know what the mood is about. And me I tell you, the intro here, even though the dog now DJ in it, but when you watch that little intro there, the video, you just want to see more. You want to see, yo, what Conscience really deal with. Ladies, tell me if you don't like them type of something, yeah? Cause me don't really judge people around here. You see me? Ladies, you know free if you do whatever you want do. You see me? Back to the song.
She said she love it when me talk X-rated. All you know your show talks you who you play with. Come make we fuck in the car and drive go home naked. Secret we can't leak, she fi go to our grave with.
So I continuously I see 2 girl, Conscience and 2 other girl. So it look like say them have a 3-way. Like a telephone. Anyway, still me not tell a lie. The music video is bad and me know say the ladies them are gonna love it. And remember say Conscience are always for the ladies, man. When them man they do certain music video, do certain style, is it me the girl them just gravitate to it. And anything where the girl them gravitate to, me have to gravitate to it too. So me have to like that video, yeah. I know say every man dream that. What? Just cool, man.
Anyway, me that she find me like a heat seeker. You little chill seeker. Say she never do these things, yeah, but I turned her in a believer.
So you just tell me in the comment section below if you like this one as well. You see me? Next song, me I go talk about Adv. Yeah man, clean every time. And me I telling the people, more on go over Adv page, cause him have a new Vivo, new channel. So me just want to go over there and subscribe. You see me? Tell him say a chatty send you. Is it? But the tune bad, I don't can hear for yourself.
Bad breed. Yo, David, it's a life for dream boat. Living it. True me touch road clean every time. Some say my boss, some say me hype. But me not have no reason for hype. One no man.
So this is when me know artists bad. You see them intro have a lot to say about it. You see me? And you see when the dog just intro just simple and still very effective. You can know say it bad. Because the man just say it simple and make you want to hear more of the song. It make you want to hear one more him have to say. One make him clean every time as the title. You see me? Yeah man, me are telling the people the artists are bad. So uno go on over in Vivo, but check out the full song. Even though me I review it, yeah, but me wanna go over the same way. And me I go post the link in the comment section or in the description below. You see me?
Fresh like Prince every time on step. Louis V Gucci, nothing less. Yeah, me try push the button press. Me style and swag make you girl something wet. Every girl man like Lincoln Tree that really a freestyle. Me watch no G-Shock, put on my own show. Spend my own cash, anything when me have no boy, no give me that.
So right, that's how the man I make you know say, yo, you see everything we him have in a life, I work him work for. You see, the Rolex pan him right hand, I work him work for that, cause him no wear G-Shock in him. Don't I tell you say, I roll a freestyle. You see me? Cause you enough for them boy, yeah. Them want clean every day, but yet, I bend over for man every day. I bend over and I make man touch them. And them a bend man over. But you see Adv, him not in a them thing there, him not join them thing there. The dog work, you see me, and film work and music. You see me? And him just a try make it in a life. You see me? Try make it for clean every day. So people who run go over in Vivo page, me I go post the link.
True me touch road clean every time. Some say my boss, some say me hype. But me not have no reason for hype. One no man.
So last but definitely not least, I want to talk about the artist here when he Cash. The dog have a video for the song when he Oh Lord. Me did hear the song from a longer while, but me never really review the song or anything like that. You see me? Them time they made it just a forward in the thing and yeah, you see me? But right now, the dog do the video and me I tell you, yo, the video touching and the song touching. Me I tell you say it's a very, very, very touching song and people want to support young talent, you know. Because if you don't support young talent, or you are going to support the future. That means you are not for the future. Remember, you know, Vybz Kartel, Alkaline, and all the other old artists already. They make it already. You see me? They make it in the thing. Them done do the thing. So we have to support them new actors because of them are the future dancehall, whether you like it or not. You see me? See, just like how me talk about Adv, you can go over and page and just subscribe. Me I go post Cash. Link in the description as well. But people, wanna just take in the tune and all our mates.
The first love one my lost, and my grandmother Lord, and my brother dead. Over the same yard, my little niece, and my nephew have run out of the yard. For your face, them drama, you know easy none at all. Right now, me tired for see the mother, them a ball. As day goes by, me see another youth of all. I know it's just me every time I get a call. Them not stop put AK over the wall, me sing all.
have to stop it right so. You see me? Because here I know. Many people don't know, but you see this year, earlier this year, the 5th of March, my grandmother passed away, you see me? So me I telling her say yo, that tune mean a lot. And in the intro in the dog I say yo the first time last when you see me? Only hear it already, so I'm not have to repeat it. Yo people, I swear, me I go review that song in depth in my next review. So look out for it. That I can't just forward and talk about a little part of the song. You see me? Even if me get 1 views, you see me? Me not really do this for views or like. Yo, that song deep. You see me? So it's a boy DJ Chaddy. And don't forget to check me out on Instagram at I am DJ Chaddy. Thanks for watching. You see me? And if you like the video, give it a like. If you don't, state why you don't. You see me? And leave your honest opinion in the comment section. Tell me what you think about all of the song them what we talk about today, what we discuss today. You see me? I'm out.
Put a little bit up on our side. Things like them make people paranoid. Me sing paranoid. Oh Lord. Put a little bit up on our side. Things like them make people paranoid. Me sing paranoid.